Welcome to 1870 Fenn Lane, located in a cul-de-sac street. Got beautiful double doors here in the entry. Immediately to the left, they have it as a dining room that could be closed off by the barn door. Behind that wall is a great, beautiful pantry. To the right, you have a full bath bedroom with a walk-in closet, beautiful front doors. Love this living room. As you can see, it's a great big open concept. Beautiful large kitchen. Over there we have the primary bedroom, laundry, access to the garage, as well as, love that muck station. Be here, I love the little bar area, and then of course your wonderful sized pantry. Back there you have a little hallway to the other two bedrooms with a Jack and Jill restroom shower and each their own individual sinks. And then back here, love this view. Nice, great lot. Possibilities are endless.